awake the quiet heart. A gentle breath invites a start. Your hand in mine, I feel us rise beyond these walls into the skies. Lift me where the dreams belong, where every note becomes a song. In your arms I learn to fly past the shadows, you and I. When fear whispers in the night, you chase the doubts, you bring the light. Step by step we find our way. Every dawn becomes our day. Lift me where the dreams belong, where every note becomes our song. In your arms I learn to fly past the shadows, you and I. Here in this moment, pure and true, every sign leads me to you. Hearts in harmony, soft and strong. Together we rise where we belong. Let's soar above the restless storm. Love keeps us safe, keeps us warm. In every breath, your voice I hear. I am yours and I'm right here. Lift me where the dreams belong, where every note becomes a song. In yours I learn to fly past the shadows, you and I. Leave me where the dreams belong. Stronger now we sing alone. In your arms I touch the sky, like eternal